tonight. They just got a new toy from our friends Kyle and Kareen. Their Ayla and Silas have grown out of it. And Quinn and Ruby are loving it. It's a Rainforest jumping jungle gym. And, oh, they just both have really enjoyed it. Ruby had to turn a little earlier, and now it's Quinn's turn. And he is just taking it to the limits, jumping hard on it.
Ruby! Hey, Ruby!
Where's Daddy?
Hey, Ruby baby.
Hey.
Hey, guys. Can you wave? Hey, can you wave at us? Maybe to wave at the tree.
We just set our Christmas tree up and our nativity set tonight. Tell us more, Ruby.
Quinn, are you loving it, buddy? Let's see you jump some more. He might be wearing out. He's been going at it for a good 15-20 minutes.
So cute. Rosie's here too. She's got a juice bottle she's having fun with.
Enjoying some cranberry juice. Promotes good kidney health.
Everybody's watching Rosie. Quinn totally stopped on his toy. Oh, we just love you guys so much.
Ruby! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.